There's a few other neat little features that are worth mentioning as well. You can give the name of a data frame and say .describe, and that will give you a really nice overview of all the numerical data in your data frame. We can also see the first X number of entries in our data frame using head. So if you say the name of the data frame .head and then put in a number, it'll give you, in this case, 5. It'll give you the first 5 entries in the data frame. You can do that the same from the other way as well. So you can say .tail. That will give you the last 5 entries of the data frame. You'll notice in VS Code, when you print a data frame, it won't show you all the data frame. In fact, I think by default it shows you the top 5 and the last 5. And it will do that automatically. But if you want to look at a particular number of values at the start or end, you can do that. You can make all of your numbers in a data frame a particular type. So let's imagine we want to turn all our numbers into floating point numbers. We can say the name of the data frame as type and then pass in the type, in this case float. That will cast everything as a floating point number. And we can really easily take the average of a column in a data frame. Really easily, we just give the name of the data frame, the column name .mean. That's it. That will give you the mean for that column. And you can do the same with standard deviation and all sorts of other stats that you can run on pandas.